also welcome to Guitar Guitar, Zach Bryan. I think you recognize that name. He's been with us before on Guitar Guitar songs like Ida, Oak Island is some of them, and we also have a couple more here on Guitar Guitar. So if you like him as an artist and these songs, make sure you check them out and subscribe to this channel now. Let's focus on this song here called High Road. And High Road is pretty simple. It comes to different chords to handle, but we have a challenge here in this strumming. All right, so we have at least 3 different strumming types. So we're gonna look at that. But first, let's go into the song with all the chords. No need for any setup here. We're going clean. So the chords will be A sus, the E, the B sus, and the C sharp minor. Okay, so the A sus first, that will be to play open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. We have E next, that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the B sus chord, that's a bar chord. You place your index finger on the 2nd fret and push down 5 strings from bottom up, counted. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then finally we have the C sharp minor. So you take almost the exact same grip and place it on the 4th fret with the index finger. That's where the bar lies. You push down the same 5 strings there, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Here we have the C sharp minor. Alright, so let's go straight into this one. Look at the verse now where we have the chord progression E to A sus, B sus, and back to A sus. Alright, so we're gonna look at this with the strumming pattern like this. Okay, so that is one round. You're gonna play down, down. We can start there. And the 2 downs will be first on the bass string, and then the next down, you answer down here in the mid-higher area of the strings. So down, down. And then comes up, down, and then down, down, up. Okay? So that is one string around here in the first verse. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right. So that is one string around. A couple rounds goes like this. So the chord progression will be to play 1 string around per chord, E, A, B, and back to A. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, like this. I played 2 rounds, you're going to double up with 4 rounds, and that is the first verse. Now into the chorus, you're going to play the chorus with the chord progression A, E, B sus, and C sharp minor. Okay? Now you're going to change the strumming. Like I mentioned, we have different strumming patterns here depending on where we are in the song. So we're going to look at the strumming now with the first chord, the A sus. You're going to play this. That is 1 round, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? And a couple rounds goes like this. Play 1 of these per chord in the same chord progression I've just mentioned, A, E, B, and C sharp, like this. played 2 rounds for you, and that is exactly what you're gonna do as well. That is the first chorus. Okay, you're gonna go into the first instrumental part. It happens right after this first chorus. You're gonna continue the chorus play. Okay, and what you're gonna do here is to play the same strumming as you just played for the chorus as well. So the down, down, up, down, up. The last C sharp minor there, you're just gonna play 1 down on it, okay? So just 1 down on that one with a pause, and that starts the second round of everything, okay? So the second round, the second verse is played in a different way. First and foremost, we have only 3 rounds, not 4 rounds like I had in the first verse. 3 rounds and a completely different strumming pattern again, okay? So if you go to the first chord now, the E, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so it goes faster now because you're gonna play 2 of these per chord. So what you're gonna do here is to play down, down, up, up. Okay? So the first 2 downs, you have the same style there as the first 2 downs in the first strumming verse in the first verse. All right, so you have down, down, okay, bass, top, and then you continue with up, down, up. And that's it. So a couple rounds goes. So, like I mentioned, the same chord progression, but now you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, E, A, B, and back to A, like this. I played 2 rounds for you, you're gonna play 3 rounds, and that's the second verse into the second chorus. That is played exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. Okay, then comes the second instrumental part after the second chorus. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and you're gonna play strumming all the way through, not just 1 down the last C sharp minor. You play 1 string round per chord in the same way as you play for the chorus for 2 full rounds. Okay. After that second instrumental part comes the bridge part, all right? And that happens 2 minutes and 28 seconds into the song. You're gonna follow the same chord progression as in the chorus, okay? So A, E, B sus, and C sharp minor. Now you're gonna play 4 downs per chord. That will be 1 string around. So if you grab the first chord, the A sharp, the A sus. Okay, so that is 4 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 of these per chord. And you're gonna do that for 2 chord progression rounds. And that will be the bridge part. After that comes the outro part. You're gonna jump back to the chorus and play that one for 1 round, okay? So the A, E, B, and C sharp minor with the same down, down, up, down, up as used in the chorus. You're gonna play that for 1 round, and then you're gonna finish off with the verse chords, okay? That will be the E, the A, the B sus, and back to A. You're gonna play them 1 down per chord for 2 chord progression rounds. And that will be the end and wrap it up for Zach Bryan's High Road. Okay, so not too many chords, 4 of them, pretty easy to handle the chords as they are. But the challenge here is the strumming, so be careful here where you are in the song, depending on where you are. If you are in the first verse or second, it changes there. So yeah, hope that helps. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give me something back, like this one or subscribe to this channel, and you make my day. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, play tuned.